Last example, the frequency distribution of the weekly wages of the 150 workers are given. Means weekly wages of the 150 workers are given in the given data. Find the mean wages by the step deviation method. You have to find out the mean by step deviation method. Means out of this 150, 25 workers are getting the wages in between 1000 to 2000. Out of this 150 workers, 45 workers are getting the wages in between 2000 to 3000. Out of this 150 workers, these 50 workers are getting the wages in between 3000 to 4000. Out of this 150 workers, these 30 workers are getting the wages in between the 4000 to 5000 rupees. You have to find out the mean wages of the worker by step deviation method. For that, you have to prepare the chart like this: class mark, deviation, UI, frequency and FI/UI. Then you have to fill the values properly. This is the class 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000. Then from the class you have to find out the class mark. This is the lower limit of the class. This one is the upper limit of the class. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is equal to this class mark will come 1500. This class mark will come 2500. This class mark will come 3500. This class mark will come 4500. From the class mark you have to assume A. For assuming A, you have to find out the middle class mark. Here middle class mark is not there because total number of class marks are 4. So you have to consider the A, this 2500 you have to consider as A, otherwise you have to consider this 3500 as A. Anyone you have to consider as A and you have to do the calculation. I will consider this 2500 as A. Then I will say that this becomes xi minus 2500. You have to write all the xi. From that you have to subtract the 2500. This become 1500 minus 2500. 2500 minus 2500. Then this 3500 minus 2500. This 4500 minus 2500. At that time this di will come minus 1000, 0, 1000 and 2000. From this di, from this deviation, you have to find out the g. G means greatest common divisor. Then which one is the greatest common divisor of 1000, 0, 1000 and 2000? At that time I will say that greatest common one is 1000. So I will say that this g is equal to 1000. So you have to find out the UI. UI is equal to di upon g is equal to minus 1000 upon 1000, 0 upon 1000, 1000 upon 1000 and 2000 upon 1000. For this each and every di you have to divide it by g. At that time we will get UI is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Then you have to write the frequency from the given data: 25, 45, 50 and 30. 25, 45, 50 and 30. Here you have to do the product of the Fi into UI. Fi into UI means this one is Fi multiplied by minus 1. Means 25 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 25. This 45 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 50 multiplied by 1 is equal to 50. 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60. Then you have to do the sum of the Fi. Sum of Fi means you have to do the addition. 25 plus 45 plus 50 plus 30 is equal to 150. This is the data of the 150 workers. Wages of the 150 workers. Then you have to find out the sum of FI/UI. Here you have to find out the sum of FI into UI. This is minus 25. I will write this minus 25. I will add this positive 50 plus positive 60 is equal to 110. This one is positive. This one is negative. Find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. At that time, this sum of FI/UI will come plus 85. Means you will get the sum of FI/UI, sum of FI, and you will get the G. At that time, it is very easy to find out the mean by step deviation method. Formula for the step deviation: mean is equal to A plus sum of Fi into sum of Fi upon sum of Fi into UI upon sum of Fi into G. You have to put the value of A 2500. Put the value of sum of Fi into UI is 85 upon value of Fi is 150 into value of G is 1000. You have to do the calculation. If you will do this, at that time this division will come 0.56667 into 1000. You have to do the product of this 0.56667 into 1000. At that time this product will come 566.67. Then 2500 plus 3066.67. At that time, this answer will come 3066.67 rupees. Then I will say that mean wages of the 150 workers is equal to 3066.67 rupees. In this way, you have to solve this example. So write this example each and every step properly in your classwork notebook. Thank you.